Well everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create an account in Zoho step by step. Zoho Corporation is a global technology company that provides a wide range of cloud-based software solutions for the businesses and individuals. Its suite includes tools for the email, Zoho Mail, customer relationship management, project management. Creating a Zoho account gives you access to all the services under a single login. Even if you are a beginner, you can start with Zoho Mail or explore other productivity tools. First, you need to open to any of the web browser and open a web browser and navigate to the Zoho sign up page. On the top, type down zoho.com and enter it. And once you reach into this Zoho interface, you can create a personal account. In the top right corner you can find to the sign up here. Select to the sign up. And what you can do is you need to fill in your email and your password. Make sure your password is strong enough. Select to this small icon that says agree to the terms, services and the privacy. And after you're done, you need to select to the sign up. And that is it. This is how you can create an account in Zoho. And once your account is created, you will be redirected to your Zoho dashboard. From here, you can access all Zoho's apps like Zoho Mail, Zoho CRM, Zoho Projects and more. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below. And we will reach out to you very soon.